It's almost here, the annual Battle of I-75, Toledo and BG, Wednesday night in Wood County. For UT, a win would go a long way to getting the Rockets back on course. They've lost 3 of their last 4 games, and following Tuesday's 3-point home loss to Eastern Michigan. Now, last time UT played in Bowling Green, 2019, the epic upset. They haven't forgotten about that loss, and as much as coaches and players like to keep tunnel vision, there is no denying this game this week is extra special.
I mean, you try to prepare your team from January till now, through the entire year to treat every one of them the same. But, there's a difference between Notre Dame and Norfolk State. There's a difference between Bowling Green and Eastern Michigan or somewhere else like that. There is a difference. And, you try to mask against that and try to treat every one of them the same, try to make sure that you stay as level-headed in your preparation as you possibly can. But, yeah, this one certainly does mean more.
Just come to expect that it's gonna be a dogfight, honestly. It's gonna be a lot of trash talk. It's gonna be a lot of back and forth. It's gonna be a lot of stuff throughout the week. I mean, we live 30 minutes from them, so I mean, we might see some stuff on social media. We follow some of their players. We know some of their players, and they always talk their junk. We real close with some of the guys on their team. Come from the same cities sometimes, so I mean, it's for sure. It's gonna for sure be a lot of go into it. And I honestly just can't wait to play. Some of my former high school buddies play on the team, so can't wait to get out there and show them what's up.
As for BG, whether it's on or off the field, this game, Falcons prepare all year for it. All comes down to kickoff Wednesday night. Majority of Scott Loeffler's team coming from the state of Ohio, being familiar with the rivalry and what's at stake, adding to the importance and the meaning of the contest as Falcons look to bring the Battle of I-75 trophy back to Doyle Perry.
It's like that. I think that in any great rivalry, it's like that 365 days a year. You're trying to recruit better, you're trying to build your program better, you're trying to do this, and so are they. I love great rivalries that have good respect, and I think that goes across the board. And it's rivalry. There's nothing better. I love the rivalries that I've been a part of, and this one's a special one too. We talk about this game year-round in terms of preparation, everything that you do during the off-season and during training camp. It all matters because this is the game. There's no question about that. But you educate them on the rivalry, you educate them on the games that have played in the past, the great players that have made plays in this game. And, I think rivalry games should always be treated with great respect, and always have and always will.